Hello, this is Smiley teacher and I'm so glad to have you back. In today's lesson, we are going to discover whether we use make or do before these vocabulary. Let's dive in.
Now let's decide which one to use before each noun, make or do. Decision. Make decision. The cleaning. Do the cleaning. A mistake. Make a mistake. Beginning Korean course. If you are taking part in the course. A course. Do a course. Money. Make money. Homework. Do or make. Do homework. Friends. Make friends. Nothing. Do nothing. How about this? Noise. Make noise. Exercise. Do exercise. Dinner. Make dinner. The washing up. Do the washing up. Hi, I can't make it to the party. I'm sick. This is an excuse, right? Make an excuse. The shopping. Do the shopping. Someone laugh or somebody cry. Make someone laugh or cry. Some work. Do some work. Up your mind. Synonym for decision. Make up your mind. The washing. Do the washing. Progress. Make progress. A degree. Do or make. Do a degree. An exam. Do an exam. An appointment to see your doctor. Make an appointment. The housework. Do the housework. A mess of something. Make a mess of something. Someone a favor. Do someone a favor.
Let's practice. Please pause this video right now and try to fill in the gaps on your own.
In the next slide, I'm going to show you the answer key. Do this exercise on your own and then check the answer key.
That was the end of this session. If you know more vocabulary with do and make, please drop it in the comment section. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.